We spend our lives searching for love, chasing butterflies and grand gestures. But what if the most transformative love story you'll ever experience isn't written in the stars, but unfolds right in front of the mirror? Today, we're starting a me revolution, learning how to love and accept ourselves, not because we have to, but because we deserve it. I'm here to tell you a story about a journey we all take, a journey of self-discovery and acceptance. It's a story about learning to love ourselves, not despite our flaws, but because of them. We all have that voice inside, the inner thought, the one that whispers doubts and magnifies imperfections. Remember that time you stumbled during the presentation? Or maybe that comment you made and now it feels like everyone's judging you? The inner thought loves those moments. It's easy to get caught in that loop, feeling like we're not good enough, not worthy of love. But here's the secret. The inner thought thrives on comparison and negativity. Now imagine shifting the narrative. Imagine silencing the inner thought with the voice of compassion and understanding. What if, instead of dwelling on mistakes, we learn from them? What if, instead of comparing ourselves, we celebrated our unique strengths? This shift is the beginning of self-love. It's about accepting our imperfections as part of who we are, the quirks and flaws that make us one-of-a-kind individuals. Treat yourself with kindness. Take a relaxing bath, read a good book, or spend time in nature. You deserve to be pampered. Challenge negative thoughts. When the inner thought whispers, counter it with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. Set realistic goals and celebrate small wins. Don't strive for perfection. Focus on progress. Celebrate even the small steps you take towards becoming your best self. Embrace your individuality. Don't try to fit into a mold. Embrace your unique personality, talents, and interests. Self-love isn't a destination. It's a journey. It takes time, effort, and practice. But remember, you are worthy of love just as you are. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning to love myself every day. Remember, the greatest love story you'll ever experience starts with you. Love yourself fiercely and completely. It's time to rewrite your story, and this time you are the hero of your own love story.